Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm in my native, in my farm. So let me show you all the things. There's so many mangoes over here. It's very beautiful and very greenery. Let me show you. It's very awesome. I came many times over here and I thought to take a video. So there are so many mangoes over here. You can see this is the whole big tree. So this is very beautiful. So we are going to my mango farm and let me show you my farm. So these are many mangoes over here. It's like a wild forest with all the greenery. This is awesome. These mangoes, no one cutted these mangoes. So they fall down from the tree and very bad. So you can't believe this. So this is like amazing. Such a big trees, greenery, it's awesome. So we are in a while away. My mother, my brother and my grandfather are coming. Let me show you where we're about to go. So I'm going to show you a view from back. This is very brilliant. It's like all greenery and butterflies, the sound. It's very awesome. Feel like a run. So I'm gonna go. A mango leaf. Mango leaf. Let me show you a mango. Wait a second. It's like a big mountain. Oh yeah. So these mangoes are my relatives' mango trees, and they all cutted my mangoes. Even we cut all the mangoes. On the little bit are there. So today you're gonna explore all the leaves. So let me show you the leaves that will make Jendu bomb in a while. They will make Jendu bomb with the leaves. So let me show you the leaves. See, all these mangoes are falling down. So the tall trees over there are the leaves of Jendu bomb. They'll make the leaves with the Jendu bomb. Then the smell will be amazing. The small flower. So there's someone, many people are coming over here. We are gonna go a little bit far. Let's go. This is awesome experience. It's super wild. So here we got mangoes. These are very awesome. So my mother plugged me these mangoes. So when they're ripe, we need to eat them. Like they'll become yellow, so we can eat them. And so There are 2 to 3 tents over here. The people who live here, all broken tents. They went over there, and all these waste trees and these mangoes. So we are gonna go. We reached our farm, my farm, and a mango fall down. Only one small mango is remaining. So we are gonna go get it. Thank you, mango. These are mango season, so that's why so many mangoes are there. And over here are small mangoes, very cute and nice. So daily my grandfather will go to come to this farm and pluck mangoes. I don't know where the mangoes be, so that's why we came to see. So now I'm gonna show you a chiku tree. The background is nice. The climate is awesome. That's why we came. Or else the rain will come. Fat, 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 fat. So the chiku tree is gonna come soon, and my brother also came and he's enjoying a lot. Super. He's going super fast. These mangoes are like ripe, very ripe, some of them. So some of them are very ripe. So let's see. All these mangoes over there are like small baby mangoes. So no one is gonna cut them. So that's why they are over there. Right? This is the road. It's very brilliant. So this is a dried mango tree, very dried, and this is a mango, baby mango tree. It's very, oh my God, see how many mangoes are over here. It's very brilliant, and these small plants. So this is very amazing experience in my farm. So there are many farms, jackfruit and chiku farm in another native. So this is my father's native. So we are gonna come and see every day from today. So we have come near a jandubam tree, and we are also gonna see chiku tree. So this rain came a little bit, so that's why the floor is a little bit muddy. And now we are going to see a jandubam tree. So this is the chiku tree where we have come. Now only the small that are growing. So the small ones are over here. Like this is very, very little and small. By mistake I plucked it. So now we are going to come across a jandubam tree. The leaves made up of jandubam. How much big? They are very, very big. So this is the jandubam leaves. So this smell will be like something different, not like jandubam. If you see all jandubam leaves together, you can't believe it. It's like fog, right? These little plants are like in seas. Awesome. So even the floor is muddy. So let me show you the closer look of the jandubam trees. It's like very much fog in here when we see the trees, but in normal it's not. All the grasses and this plant. I hope you can see this over here. It's very nice and soft. This farm, not my farm, this combined farm is like, oh my god, very, very, very big. Even everyone's combined. So we can find our own trees. For a mango tree, they give this much gap. It's very brilliant. So one day in my mother's native, me and my uncle and everyone went to a farm and made afternoon lunch chicken in the farm. These small bushy plants. It's very nice. And oh, I have something to show you that's very awesome, but I'm a little scared. Oh no, it is a branch. I thought a honeybee. Sorry guys. So now my mother is running fast. I need to go and I'm not able to walk fast because it's very, very muddy. I hope you can see those mangoes over there. These are very big mangoes. One my cousin sister, and I came here with one boy. He took the giant bomb leaves, even I took. But I was shouting for, he has many leaves and I took some of his. Can you hear the sound? I am making the sound. Nice sound beat. So we are gonna go home back now. I'm very sad, but we have nothing to do here. The climate is so nice. I hope you can see this. Very brilliant, right? When you're in village, this is the advantage. But the disadvantage is there are no schools like in towns. Very sad. Thank you guys. I hope you'll enjoy the video. See you next time with an amazing video. See you next time.